Okay, so guys, in this video, we're gonna talk about how you can download DeepSeek AI for free and run it locally, guys. Because if you guys are very privacy conscious, you want to run it in offline mode, right? So that your data can't be sent anywhere and you can run the AI model locally in your PC without any internet connection or even offline, right? So yeah, guys, what you have to do is basically go to any browser, guys. I'll go to Google and search here LM download. When you go to LM download, then you'll see the LM Studio here. Then go to the first link, guys. Then download LM Studio for Windows, guys. When you click on that, then just download it. I have downloaded it already, so I'll just use it. So yeah, guys, what you have to do basically is run this setup, guys. When you click on this setup, then it will run in your PC or laptop. Then you can just go to the user, then click on next, then you can install it. The required space is 1 gigs, and after that we will also download the model, guys, which is the DeepSeek R1 model, right? Because we want the model to run in our local PC. So yeah, guys, this is how we do it. So just install the LM Studio setup, then follow the other steps, guys, which I'm going to tell you. So as you guys can see, the setup is complete. I will just go and finish, and it will also run the LM Studio. Just wait a little, then the window will pop up, guys. As you can see, the LM Studio is running right now. Just click on get your first LLM, then it will go with Llama, guys. You can just skip the onboarding, then you just select the model, which is the DeepSeek model, right? We want the DeepSeek model to be installed. So when I click on search, then it will show us the DeepSeek R1 model. This is the Llama model. We'll use that. This is 4 to 5 gigs, guys. It might take some time to download, so just click on download and it will just download the model for you, guys. My internet speed is kind of not very good, but it's fast, guys. It will download in just 10 minutes. So yeah, guys, I'll just wait and get back to you when it's done. Okay, guys, so as you can see, the download is completed right now. You can just click on load model to load the model, and now as you can see at the top, guys, the model is loading right now. And when the model is loaded, guys, completely loaded, then you don't have to do anything, guys. You can just run this model offline in your PC right now. As you can see, the model loading is complete. Now what I can do is I can just go with a question like why humans think. Then I'll just click on send, guys. Then as you can see, it will think first, guys. As you can see, it is thinking right now, which is the reasoning based option, guys, we get in DeepSeek R1 model. As you can see, it is thinking. Then after thinking, guys, then it will provide us the answer like it works on the website, guys. So yeah, guys, this is how you can run DeepSeek model offline without any internet connection in your local PC, guys. I hope you guys liked this video, guys. If you need more videos like this, then consider subscribing, guys, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Till then, goodbye.